Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Cherokee, local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers, the city's most recommended movers, saves clients time and money when facilitating their move. They provide professional relocation assistance at affordable rates and have the efficient crew that ensures that your relocation is timely concluded. This will save you some costs since relocation is billed hourly. They ensure a hitch-free removal of your belongings and have duly created and suitable packing materials to help keep them safe during the move. If you desire personal relocation without any interference, then you can opt for their container moving option and have their shipping container sent to your doorstep to pack your belongings in and have them sent to your new home. 3 Movers are efficient in handling the complexities of long-distance relocation. This type of moving requires detailed planning since it spans lengthy distances and involves moving across states whose relocation policy differs. The team is acquainted with the policies and has been in alignment with it since inception, making them the go-to movers to liaise with you for your moving into and out of Cherokee. They ensure your belongings are secured as they are conveyed, and you won't have to encounter a case of missing or broken items. They also have insurance policies covering their services, protecting your belongings against any unlikely occurrence during transit. They also ensure the adequate spacing of your belongings in their truck, and their network of reliable partners across the country keeps them from colliding on every stop. They also provide long-term storage options for those moving on short notice, giving you enough space to scout for a new home in this new city that you're moving to. They also have adequate relocation vehicles to handle the seamless relocation of your belongings. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cherokee moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form. Pack